Welcome to Better Off Guide, your go-to resource for the latest tools and insights to enhance your professional journey. Today we're thrilled to introduce you to HeyGen, an innovative AI video generator that's about to revolutionize the way you create business and marketing videos. Are you tired of struggling with video editing software and complex production processes? Well, say goodbye to those headaches because HeyGen is here to simplify your video creation experience. HeyGen is not your average video editing tool. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI capabilities, HeyGen allows you to create engaging business and marketing videos without any prior editing skills required. Simply choose from over 100 diverse and customizable avatars. Input your script and click Submit to generate your video in minutes. It's that easy. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner, HeyGen empowers you to bring your ideas to life with stunning visuals and professional quality animations. But that's not all. HeyGen offers a plethora of features to take your videos to the next level. From text-to-video conversion and audio uploads to multi-scene capabilities and background music options, HeyGen provides everything you need to create captivating content that resonates with your audience. Plus, with over 40 languages supported and realistic lip-sync capabilities, HeyGen ensures that your message is delivered clearly and effectively to a global audience. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing customer testimonials, or delivering educational content, HeyGen empowers you to create professional videos that leave a lasting impression. Ready to experience the power of HeyGen for yourself? Visit the link in the description below to try HeyGen today and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for tuning in to Better Off Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more valuable insights and tools to help you succeed in your professional journey. Until next time, keep innovating and creating with HeyGen.